Starting in 1930, Ficep has made an industry-leading global commitment to the development and support of the firms engaged in the fabrication of structural steel and plate. This commitment to extend the most innovative fabrication systems to the industry is confirmed by Ficep's current product offering of over 150 different CNC lines. Ficep's latest addition to its structural steel product line is the Valiant drilling line integrated with the Nozomi plasma cutting robot. This combination is truly a one-of-a-kind solution. This powerful, innovative design offers the structural steel fabrication industry the most productive and versatile fabrication cell available to date. Let's take a look at how this combination of the Valiant drill line with the Nozomi plasma cutting robot delivers the most productive approach to a typical structural steel fabrication task. The Valiant drill line and Nozomi plasma cutting robot can perform the same task in some cases, but the advantage of this powerful combination is that only the most productive process for each application is utilized. Starting with drilling, the Valiant with sub-axis spindle positioning is 4 times faster when compared to a drill line without sub-axis capability. When processing an offset hole pattern, when comparing the Valiant's hole production productivity for generating bolt holes, it produces this 60-hole pattern in 64 seconds. When generating the same hole pattern with plasma, it takes almost 9 minutes. The Valiant with sub-axis spindle positioning generates programmed layout data on all 4 sides simultaneously. This is a 4-to-1 productivity gain when compared to the limitation of marking one single side at a time with either plasma marking or scribing with a drill that does not have sub-axis spindle positioning. The Valiant drill line produces both rat holes simultaneously without requiring any cleanup. When the rat hole is plasma cut, the manual cleanup of the web still remains. Once the Valiant has milled the rat holes, they are flush to the flange and do not require any secondary manual operations. The robotic arm of the Nozomi enables the productive generation of typical thermal routines such as coping, flange thinning, mechanical cutouts, slotted holes, slots in tubes, dog bones, beam splitting, castellations, cutoff, and more. The sub-axis capability of the Valiant not only adds to drilling productivity, but it can achieve additional versatility when required for such operations as coping, flange thinning, the generation of mechanical openings, slots, weld prep, and other diverse milling operations. One of the key defining elements of this powerful and versatile combination is the rack and pinion material positioning and measuring system that transports the material through both the drilling and thermal processes. Not only does this system deliver industry-leading accuracy, it provides exceptional versatility when processing diverse stock material and part lengths. Once in position, a laser scanning system determines the physical location of the surfaces to be processed. This eliminates the need for the torch to probe the surface prior to the start of each cut. A complete assortment of hypertherm plasma generators are available to comply with the user's requirements. Each spindle is driven with a direct drive design that delivers 100% of the motor's power to the tool for exceptional productivity. Each spindle can be supplied with a 14-position tool changer to be able to take full advantage of the Valiant's diverse capabilities. Not only does this integrated system provide the most versatile and productive cell possible, it requires just half the shop space and labor when compared to a split system layout. Both the Valiant and Nozomi are completely integrated into one CNC control that operates all drilling and thermal processes with one common CNC program. This unique combination of exceptional capabilities and productivity addresses the industry's needs where skilled labor and shop space is limited. Take the opportunity now to learn more about how this unique fabrication cell will increase your tonnage in your existing facility shop space while reducing your cost per ton.